Now guys, I'm doing a mashed potato. Just put a little milk. Actually, our potato, there's already salt, pepper, and margarine. Instead of butter, we don't have butter, we use margarine. So I will mash that one. We have these tools for doing easy mash. I think need more milk. This is fresh milk. Yeah, I think this is fine. Okay. Actually, after this, I'm just preparing because this is my husband's recipe. And our beef here, it's already marinated with salt, pepper, garlic, and onion. Yeah. I think it's not really clear. We put the, yeah, it's better that one. Put the light. So that's it. That's fine. So here guys, I'm just adding the little oil and I will put the meat in there. Okay. We're now putting our ground meat. And what we have here guys is just onion, celery, bell pepper, and garlic. Once this meat here is almost like cooked, the water will be gone. I will add all those chopped garlic, onion, celery, and bell pepper. So now we're adding our onion guys. Now guys, we're adding our garlic. Just a little bit. That's fine. And then we're adding our celery and bell pepper. And my husband is adding our canned tomato. And mix. Only this?
Ça peut être deux, je sais pas là, on va voir.
You check.
Je vais voir combien on
Now he's adding another bottle because it's not enough. It's his recipe guys. And he will add that tomato soup. You add now.
Tomato soup because it's the barouette. Pour le fleur.
You just mix that one, then let it boil. Then we will go to the next stuff. So guys, it's cooked already. So we're eating this one now with our mashed potato. So that's it guys, our mashed potato and our soup there. Our sauce, it's like a spaghetti sauce. Yeah. So bon appetit tout le monde. Thank you for watching guys. God bless us all. Bye bye. What do you call this recipe, honey?
Sundae.
Sundae
À la viande.
Sundae à la viande. Sundae, you know the sundae guys, it's the ice cream sundae. Because I prepare it like ice cream. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
The bowl de crème glacée.
Ice cream ball of ice cream.
Ice cream ball is potato.
With yeah.
And the chocolate sauce is the meat sauce.
My husband. So here's our food, guys. Thank you for watching. It's ready now to eat. God bless us all. And if you don't yet subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and it will help me grow. And hit the bell button for more videos. Thank you so much. God bless us all. Bye bye.